Okay, so if I want to save a particular assignment in my masterclass, so what I will do, where is it? Masterclass, here it is. I will open my masterclass. I will go in classwork, and then I will hit the reuse post. So this is the post from my masterclass, but in my little arrow here, boop, I can go back and I can look. I have a science assignment that I give. I would love to, I don't want to do a nearby because it will be gone. My review on weathering and erosion quiz. That was a really good one. I would like to keep it. So I do that. That's material. That's not an assignment, but it's the same thing. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Come on. Come on. I'm teaching. Do your dog. Do your thing. My goodness. Finally. Oh no, it is an assignment. Okay, so I have the reviews. I have the assignment over here. Make a copy for each student. I will not put a due date so that it doesn't time out. All students, masterclass, rock and minerals. Da, da, da. The main thing is not to put a due date because then it will bug you. Assign. And review quiz next week. Here we go. There it is in my masterclass. And that's all there is to it. So you go in the class that you want the thing to be in. Because if you want to take something from your masterclass and put it in another class, it's the same thing. You'll go in the other class, reuse post, and then you find the post. So right now I'm in science class, but here you have all of your classes. So you can move material assignments from class to class. Is super easy to do. And that's all there is to it.